Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Abra's account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Abra's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Abra login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Scroll down and click on login link. Now on the next page, scroll down and click on login Abra. Enter the username or email as well as password associated with your Abra's account. Tap on Keep Me Signed In if you want your account to be remembered next time you log in. After entering your username or email and password, tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Abra's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.